This is what Brian does every day in his nice Florida apartment. Look at that spec he's actually bought. Yep, working it out. This is the crib. Wow, Brian, you're sweating, it's not gonna lie. While Brian's doing that, we're just gonna go check out the rest of his room. Oh, we got plenty of stuff to do laundry with. That's good. You'll be happy to hear about that, Gene. Let's see what we got. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. The room is just a mess right now. Let's see what his bird's up to. Birdie. Hey, stop flipping out. Stop flipping out, bird. Crack bird that screams every morning to wake up Brian. We're just trying to get an interview. Never mind. Jesus, bird. Bathroom. Exciting. We go over here. We got a bike. Brian's still working out. Hell yeah, working out. What we got up in here? Oh, pretty much just Gatorade. Milk, weird food things, chocolate milk, and bread. That's about all you need in college. We do have bananas though. Delicious. Brian, looking good. Let's see what kind of view we got up here. Yep. Here he is. All that kind of stuff. Oh, now it looks like we're filming someone. She's gone over here. Yep. Oh, the outside. The outside. Yeah, well. We're going to have to cut this short. I'm sorry, but y'all gotta get out.